Knotted chain is such a big problem for so many people, and when you have knots on fine chains like these, you just go endlessly trying to open them with your fingernails, and it's very frustrating. So I'm going to show you a very simple trick to open these kind of knots, and it is really very easy. And take any two sharp pointed objects, anything like two pins, maybe a pair of toothpicks like these, or a sewing needle, anything that's got a sharp point to it, and put your chain on a flat surface, hit it slightly on the knot so that the knot loosens up slightly, and try to open it up with the tip of the needle. It opens up slowly and very easily. Have focus, have patience, and I'm sure you will open any kind of any amount of complicated knots in the chains. I post these videos to make your life interesting and easy. Follow us on any platform that you like. It's all free. But trust me, these ideas will really make your life easy and save you a lot of money.